Welcome. In Quick HMI you can insert your own pictures into your visualization project. Click on Image Resources in the Project Explorer. In the Master Data Image Selection window, you can add your desired images. In the Compress Picture dialog, you can increase the efficiency of processing by changing image size and quality manually. To do this, using the sliders. If you no longer want a specific image, you can delete it here. Important: it isn't possible to delete an image that is currently in use. Images that are in use are marked with a red border. When you are finished, close the window. Now, an image control can be created. Click on Image Control in the Project Explorer. Add a new control and name it. Click Select Images to open the Selection of Images dialog. Here, you can assign the images who previously imported to the control element. To do this, drag and drop the pictures into the Assigned of Images section. To remove an image, drag it into the recycle bin. If you are ready, close the window. When the image selection is complete, you will see a preview of the selection. Using the slider to switch between the selected images. You will also see the assigned numbers. More image controls can be created. The created image controls can be found under Pictures in the Controls section. These can be dragged and dropped onto the workspace. If a control is selected, you can define in the Properties which image assigned to the control should be displayed. The first picture is always assigned the 0. The image controls can be used now in conjunction with rules and actions.